All right. We are back again. What's up? What's good, my boy? SA SSS. What's good, Chi? We are back. Today looks like to be a good day. We have a lot. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing well as well, man. Hope you're doing well as well, brother. Hope you're doing well as well, my G, my boy SA. But let me give you guys my analysis paralysis for the day. We have a weekly IRL to ERL, weekly CR to the upside with a third candle of the weekly CRT. First candle is going to be accumulation, second manipulation, third candle is going to be expansion. You always want to buy below a third candle opening price. Daily, we have a daily IRL to ERL, daily CRT to the upside. We are looking for possibly a we're looking for a classic expansion profile 2 to the upside. Profile 1 to the upside. Tuesday low of the week. We as well have a daily range here. Super to low, super to high, been a stable low and a stable high. This premium, this discount, we as well could have an OTE here, right? So, and this guy want to buy, premium and sell. And chat, our buying position yesterday, the reason we got smacked is because we bought in a premium, right? You could see lower time frame. When you bought that long, this in a lower time frame was a expansion, lower time frame expansion, higher time frame retracement, right? So on the lower time frame, this looked like to be a reversal, right? But higher time frame looked like to be a retracement. So this will happen like that, and that's literally called by a lower time frame retracement, higher time frame expansion, and which is basically normal in trading, right? If you go ever buy in the premium zone, you will see a lower time frame will give you an actual reversal. Right? You actually give you a reversal without giving you a retracement phase, right? Because in this case, this was the last retracement, it closed above that, right? So that means it's a reversal. But that will not work out because of the higher time frame retracement, lower time frame reversal, right? So you will not work out, and market will come right back down and stop you out. As we bought in premium, right? I did not even see that we're in a daily range because I thought this was not a high here, but this is a swing high. This is the middle candle is the biggest candle here, right? This candle is above this other candle, and this candle is above, and this candle closed below this middle candle. So we have a swing high here. But as well, we have a OT here, daily range. As well, we're looking for a New York reversal profile 2, 5 AM accumulation, 9 AM manipulation, and 1 PM expansion. We're as well looking for a range here. Range all got soup. We're going to range high. How's the range? This is a bearish candle, bullish candle. We're monitoring the range. We want to buy in the range. We only want to execute after the range is purged. So the range is all we want to buy, and range high I want to sell. And my take profit is going to be take profit 1, take profit 2, and last take profit is going to be this weekly CRT high. But yeah, yesterday we made a mistake. That's literally the reason why we lost, because we bought in a premium. But guess what? We added an arsenal. Today I woke up, I saw like interesting. There's a daily range here now, and I added that in my arsenal where I can only buy or sell once I'm in a premium. I can only buy in a discount. I can only sell in a premium, but I can only buy in a premium if the discount area gets tapped. I can only sell in a discount if the premium area gets tapped, because the drone liquidity has to get met, right? So let me just show you guys a graphical representation, right? Just say that there's a daily range right over here, right? We're here, tap the premium area. We could sell around here. Why? Because the drone liquidity is gonna be right over here. So it's gonna be like a KOD here, KOD, right? Kiss of death. So last total so before me a drone liquidity. Market do a little retracement, push right back down, right? Without going back to the premium zone. But yeah, this is my my narrative for the day. That's my narrative. We have a bearish order flow still until the schedule above this high. We have enough narrative here. We're stacked with narrative here today. Today looks to be a good day. But we could also lose, but losing is part of the game, man. Oh yeah. But yeah, we're gonna have 3 take profit, 40%, 30%, 30%. Why am I not going for this other take profit? Because they're so near each other. So I want to go for one there, and 30%. 40%, 30%, and a 30%. 30%. But yeah, that's my analysis paralysis for the day. And yeah, that's what I'm looking for along here. Yesterday we got smacked, buddy. And even if you took that long from, that New York reversal profile too, you would have faced a loss as well. Why you would have faced a loss? Simply because of you never hit your take profit, bro. It's crazy. But you would have faced a loss as well because there at the CRT low, there's not a legit low. So market pushed right back up high from there. That legit low was not a legit low, right? So that setup was low probability. So you can see market reversed for even hitting the drone liquidity comes right back down, right? Upping you out. So both ways you're gonna start out because of not a legit low. But I'm waiting till the scanner close. And yeah, we're looking for a New York reversal profile too. If I'm bullish, I would want the Asian to make the high low of the day, not the high of the day. In this case, the Asian should make the high of the day. So I'm looking for a New York reversal profile too here. 30-minute till candle closure. Let's see what's up here. Let's see what's up, hey. But yeah, I'm looking for an advanced entry as well. I'm looking to enter out of this hourly CRT as well right over here. So yeah, take profit's gonna be first TP. Oops. First TP, second TP, third, fourth. Right. So we're gonna be cashing out 40% and a 30% and a 20% and a last 10% is gonna go all over here. So for a huge push, if the market wants to go over there, right? So yeah, the last 10% is gonna go to the weekly CRT high, which is a very good thing, right? We land in the last 10% because a big rise to the upside, right? So the last 10% could go on a loss, right? But if it goes in a win, you're gonna make a good amount of win. But if it goes on a loss, goes by down to break even, we are Gucci because only 10% is not a huge size of our initial entry. It's only at 10%, right? So that's good as well. Still in the sell till previous week low. Bet that, man. Bet that, bro. But you gotta keep in mind, we do have the confirmation to this weekly CRT here. We're currently in that weekly CRT confirmation. There's a model one, but let's see what's up from here. I'm looking for a pushback up high from here with the OTE. Oh. Let's see. I'm waiting to the next scan closure. I'm looking to get a early buy in here. Yeah, at 10 we got news. Let's see what the news standard name news does. But yeah, we got this rejection block as well. This order block that fills this other order block. So this rejection block could be a key level for this OTE. Yeah, let's see what's up. Bumble, bumble. Yeah, for this daily CRT, I mean for the daily CRT key level, our key level is gonna be this auto block right over here. This auto block that filled liquidity of this fair value gap. Let me mark the 6 a.m. candle. 10:30 a.m. candle. Oh, so you got a closure above the body. Low probability. Let's see how that goes. Got a closure above the body. Oh, shit. Oh, so we have SMT with this low right over here. Let's see if the SMT will hold. Good man. Let's see. Let's see. I'm looking for this long after 9 a.m. candle comes in. During the 9 a.m. candle right now, I'm not looking for no longs because the CRT high of the 4-hour candle got high. The CRT high got stood first, so I'm not looking for no long here. I'm looking for a sideline until the next 4-hour candle. So looking for the next 4-hour candle to have a SMT divergence or a soup of this low. Then I'm looking to long it up. But if we have a SMT, I'm high likely not going to look for a 5-minute entry. I'm looking for 15 minutes. I'm gonna go only for these take profits here though. But yeah, we're buying below the weekly opening price, which is fantastic. That's what we want to buy below. But yeah, I'm just waiting till the scanner closure. Let's see. News is at 10 a.m. That yeah, crypto did an OTE chat yesterday. As I saw you guys yesterday, crypto did an OTE over here. I told you guys OTE. Right, it's reflecting out of it. It's still not out of it, but it's a good reflection out of this. Right, it's a good ass OTE here. Reflect out of the 30, reflect out of the 62% mark out of the OTE. A good reaction. How come it is an OTE? Because it's the last high. The super is low, right? So once we get a candle closure above that high, from there on forward, it's gonna be an OTE here, right? So why are we taking this high? Because this guy, had a stable high where he didn't get souped anymore. So eventually that's OTE. And OTE happened here as well, right? OTE actually never happened there. This is the only OTE that happened. But it's kind of crazy. It didn't go at the Monbro one, but if it would have gone here, bro, the RR is gonna be crazy on that. Ay, no, papi. No, el papi. No, no, no. El papi. El papi. It's my bird. Wow, these just be going on, bro. Damn, crypto is tweaking here. Walrus is up 21% today in the past uphill day. About 24 hours. Wall Street, Wall UG, Bull Kraken. Man, I should have bought Bitcoin when I was 2 years old. I missed out on Bitcoin when I was fucking. I was playing too much video game. Fuck. I should have bought BTC. I should have bought BTC when I was in my diapers, bro. I should have bought BTC when I was in my diapers. I should have told my ass to go buy that shit. I do not know why I did not buy Bitcoin. It was at, I think what time? How much was it? I used to work in a gas station, right? I used to have that that Bitcoin machine, right, where you can buy Bitcoin because you did. But during that time, they couldn't buy it on an exchange, right? So you have to buy it in person. You have to go to a gas station, right? And there's a Bitcoin exchange. You can change your money into Bitcoin. Bro, Bitcoin was at 30. No, that time I looked at it, it showed you the actual price of it. It was $337 per Bitcoin. I was like, no, I did not buy it, my dickhead. Bro, I was trying to set up an account to buy it, but it's so difficult to set up an account to buy a fucking Bitcoin back then, bro. They're asking for your ID card, you this, you that. What the fuck? I was like, bro, just let me buy a Bitcoin. And I saw one guy, this one old ass guy, he said he had around 400,000 on Bitcoin. No, 367,000 on Bitcoin when he was at $335 per coin. Because he said he got in early at, a couple cents. So he made a huge amount of gain. He said put even more at $300. At 300, I think somewhere 300 price point of Bitcoin. And he held that shit till now. He said, I'm holding it until retire. Holy shit, he's still not retired though. I don't know how, I ain't gonna lie. Probably retired now though, because I haven't seen him in like a couple years, bro. I haven't seen him in 2 years now, eh? You changed, boy. He was an old ass nigga though. He was like 60 years old. And my bum ass was too fucking worried about gambling, man. I should have gone into that shit. No, I'm gonna go buy Bitcoin at 83K and lose it all. Bro, then I had an opportunity to buy at 37K. I had around 40 bands, right? Then I bought bro, it was not full of my money, right? But it was like a portion of my money. But we bought a house. I was like, bro, buy Bitcoin, bro. It's gonna go up higher, right? And my literally most of my siblings disagreed with me. I was like, fuck. And Bitcoin went to 100K, and my sister literally came at me like, why are you not telling me? Why are you not telling me? She started crying. I was like, bro, we could have made 400,000. I was like, chill. I know, but you got to calm down. But yeah, we bought a house at a lake, which is alright. That house, bro, I don't even live there, bro. Fuck that shit. That shit's too far. It's too cold out there, bro. I am not going there, bro. I'm not a that of a colder person, bro. Especially in the winter time, bro. Shit. I ain't living around there, cause the water freezing. You can't even take a shower over there, brother, because it's a lake, right? The lake is so cold, it literally freezes up, right? As well as the water can't turn hot. It's hard for it to turn hot because the lake is so, like, we're right by the lake, right? Like 1 minute away from the lake. The water's affecting us. Hell no! I went there one time, took a shower. Oh hell no, guys! I'd rather go swim in the cold ass water than be there, bro. Hi everyone, what's going on, buddy? Chris G. It's Ash Lake, man. She cold as hell. I'm about to go there in the summer though. I'm gonna live there in the summer. Shit is too hot. I mean, shit is too cold. But yeah, I'm waiting for the scanner closure. Then eventually we're looking for a long baby. We're looking a long baby. We're looking a long baby. Please do not do not. Please do not hit the stop loss. Yeah. Wait. It's my birthday and my wish will be met this month. God willing, brother. God willing, brother. Happy birthday to you as well, man. Happy birthday, my boy. Happy birthday, my boy, Chris G. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Day. Hey, what day is it? It's April 1st. Yeah, I don't got no joke to say. I don't make jokes. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know any jokes. I don't got any jokes at the moment. Bitches gonna like my shit but not follow. What the fuck? What's wrong with you guys, man? Oh, BMW. What's wrong with these people, man? Boy, my boy, chat. Thanks, mentor. No problemos, man. Enjoy your life, brother. But today, chat, we're gambling it all, chat. We're putting all in line this trade. We're putting it all in line. You guys ready? All in line today. All in the line. So we either make $1 million or we lose everything. Everything. We lose only a couple of $100. We make 1,000 though. We make a couple of thousand. We're gonna put all it in, chat. Today's gonna be the day where we put all it in. We're gonna put all in. We're gonna go all in. I'm gonna go all over here. We're gonna go all in, chat. All in. We're either losing everything or we're making everything. All right. They're gonna go all in tomorrow. Actually, not tomorrow. Today's gonna be all day. Today's gonna go all in, chat. We're gonna go all in. Let's see if we get the setup here, though. If we get a setup, we're going all in, bro. If we lose, we're losing everything. If we win, we're winning everything. We're not winning everything, but we're gonna win a portion of everything. Of enjoyment. Of pleasure. Pleasure is only a couple seconds. This everything that we risk, and if we win, it's gonna be a pleasure of a couple seconds. But if we lose, it's gonna be a pain of a lifetime. It's gonna hurt for a huge momente because the pleasure is less than the pain. The pleasure is a couple seconds, but the pain lasts for a couple months, couple years. If I win, I pass phase 2. If I lose, it's -2%. My boy, how much are you going to? You gotta go based off your RR, brother. So if you're gonna go, let's say hypothetically this trade hits take profit to all the way here, and we're going for a huge amount of RR, like 12 RR. You do not need to risk 2%, risk 1% or even less than 1%, because if it goes here, you're still passing, but if you stop loss, you're losing less, right? But yeah, if you lose -2%, hey, that's good shit, man. You gotta be more on risk. It is more, but you gotta know. But while you're in the calling it phases, you got to go based out the RR as well. Not RR, but go based on the chart and the data. But if the chart, if the RR gives you more than you need, way more than you need, risk less. You know what I'm saying? All in, brother. Lol. Hell yeah, man. We all in today. Risking it all in the next CRT candle, mate. Just seeing what you make from this all in, bro. We're all in. If we pass this, I'm gonna get another 50K funded. If we fail it, we're losing it all. We're losing it all, brother. We're losing it all, brother. Bro, I met some Jamaican, bro. That Jamaican was talking some crazy shit, bro. Brother Wagwan. Big bomber clad when we put pussy turn red. Hold on, big bomber clad, I wanna give me head. No, what the fuck? What did I say? I wanna give me head. No, big bomber like I, big bomber clad wanna give me head. When we put pussy turn red. That's what I try. You know what I'm saying? That's what that guy tried to say. I was trying to make a joke out of it, but it was not that funny. He kind of got mad. He was like, what the fuck are you talking about? I'm like, when you fuck pussy turn red. Big bomber glad I wanna give me head. Whoa, what I say? I wanna give me head. Nah. Big bomber glad I give me head. When we put pussy turn red. What up, nigga? We're all in. I give you 600. I get you 600 only to pass. Okay. See the RR. The RR of this trade. I don't know if you're gonna go for the same take profit I am. If you're gonna go for the same take profit, bro, if it hits take profit, it's probably gonna take a couple days, right? It's probably gonna take like 4 to 5 days. So you're gonna have to need that patience, but this should definitely pass us the account though. But I don't know, bro. We're gambling. We're all in, boys. We're all in. We are all in today. We're losing everything we're making every today. We're losing it all today. We're going to lose it all, or we're going to make it all, G. But yeah, chat, I'm looking for an advanced entry as well. Looking for a 5-minute because it's a Neo Converter Profile 2. For a Neo Converter Profile 2, 5-minute commission, 90-minute place in 1 PM expansion. For that profile, we could use the hourly CRT as well. But it's going to be more on risk. It's going to be riskier to enter the trade because we got on stop loss quicker. But through me taking, I have literally only took 1 trade or 2 trades out of the 15-minute in the Neo Converter. So usually always, all my trade in Neo Converter are usually always on the hourly time frame of a 5-minute entry on a Neo Converter Profile 2. You know what I mean, cheddar? Let's see, 8 minutes to risk it all. Risking everything. Everything. So we're at the CRT low, we have a legit low here. But at the 15-minute low, we do not have legit low. So yeah, if the other CRT gets disrespected, we're looking for a 15-minute, but 15-minute time frame, we must get another purge with it. But let's see. Let's see if we're gonna have the setup here though. If we do have the setup, I'm not gonna expect to trade. I'm expect to lose. I'm expect to win in the long term. I'm going to be cold, calm, the loony streak or winning streak. I am fearless. I execute my strategy fearlessly with unwavering discipline, flawless precision, accept the risk and losses part of the process. My commitment to my trading strategy, my great rule. Oh my god, bro. I got a whole quote on that bit. You must execute your strategy fearlessly with unwavering discipline, flawless precision, accepting risks and losses as part of the process. Your commitment to your trading strategy, to your rules, must be your greatest edge because your rules make your habit makes your outcome, and your outcome depends on your habits and your process. Your process must be good, so following your rules is on the process side. The outcome is the profit slash loss. Hope everybody's doing well here, man. Hope everybody's doing well in a good Monday. It's Monday, it's a Saturday, it's a Sunday. It's Monday today. What does it say? One. It's Tuesday though. What does it say? Monday though. What does it say? 4/1. It says 2025. Should have say like 4/2, 2022. Yes, sir. Hell yeah, my boy Chris. You're gonna have a good day, man. And God willing, brother. Spend time with your family. Go get some drink. Don't get them bad drinks, man. Don't go high on that bit. You know what I'm saying? But yesterday was crazy, bro. I think it was not yesterday. You did 2 days ago was crazy, bro. Oh my goodness, we're trolling. You know, people were, there's people were, they're drinking alcohol, right? So they were overly dosed. So he's trolling the girls in the females, bro. Yeah, is that SMT? The SMT probably will be false, man. You can see the SMT is very low to the low. It's probably gonna be false SMT. Yeah, for market profiles, we have a expansion, retracement, another expansion, reversal, retracement, expansion. But yeah, I'm risking a 40% profit here, 30%, 20%, and the last 10% is gonna go all the way to the 95.48. But yeah, this is so many fucking take profit though. I don't like it, man. I do not like it. 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 Da, da, da. Yep, super that low, my budget. So I'm looking for the. Yeah, this big push to the downside is a good thing though. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people would have gotten scared from this long here from here, but if you're buying, you want to buy in a discount, you want to set in a premium, right? So this push down is what you want to buy. Because people usually give like, oh yeah, the market's not telling me it's gonna go bearish, right? But this big push to the downside should be a good thing for a long here. Because market is eventually gonna need to trace. It just constantly go down. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm gonna clap today, chat. Holy damn. Bro, I was at a famous spot, not a famous spot, but a very localized, no, not localized, but very, you know how the people go to college and there's a bar spot and shit. You know how much of them they fucking go to bar and shit. You know they have a fucking no life, right? Like this, it was a game day, bro. We were hitting on some girl, nigga. I was like, oh, the billah, gotta calm down. Bro, we were that other guy, but my goofy ass friend literally hit on a girl on the elevator, bro. That's crazy, bro. Nigga was crazy, dog. She was drunk as hell, bro. I was like, she crazy, nigga. shoot cray. Cray. I can't say that too much because watch it. It's gonna be like some bad shit. Some bad bullshit. Some bad bullshit. Some bad bullshit. Some bad bullshit. Shut up. Blood, bumble pussy. Oh boy, Chris G. Yo, bro, your wish will definitely get mad this week. I mean, this month. But yeah. Where are you from? I'm from America, mate. Where do you think I'm from? What am I speaking, bro? What am I speaking? I'm speaking American, bro. I'm speaking American. What are you from, bro? Are you from India? Let me stop being racist. I'm sorry to my Indian, bro. Stop it, bro. Are you Indian? Huh? What are you from? I'm from India, man. Alright, I'm sorry. Alright. That was some racist shit I said. I'm sorry. Come on, man. Alright, let's see if we're gonna push down here. We got instantly a big bearish candle. That's good. We're gonna instantly push down here. Fantastic. Push up though. Or push it up first is gay. You're gay if you push up, you're gay. Not yet, you are. Damn. Yeah. Happy birthday. It's my month to shine and be the second to get a pay on the Discord. Hell yeah, brother. Inshallah. God willing. Just checking. You said A'udhu Billah. Anyway, not a big deal. Hell yeah, man. Inshallah. Allahu Akbar. I'm a Muslim, bro. I mean, being a Muslim, that means, if you're a Muslim, doesn't mean what you are, bro. You know what I'm saying? I could be a Brazilian and be a Muslim. Muslims, that's for, like, for Arabs. It's from everybody. It's the God religions, man. I could be Chinese and be Muslim. I could be from Uganda and be Muslim. I could be from anywhere and be a Muslim. Muslim is meaning submitting to God, to the one who is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. All praise is due to Allah, the Lord of the world, the mostly merciful, the especially merciful. Is He we worship and is He we call for help. Guide us to the straight path, the path of those you have blessed, not of those amongst there's anger, nor of those who are misguided. Ameen. That's like Surah Al-Fatiha in English verse. I hope I said it right, man. I don't know. Don't know. Astaghfirullah if I did say it wrong. Oh, la. So yeah, I'm looking for this log. After this log is soup chat, I'm looking for a long after this log is soup. But yeah, let's see. If the high gets soup first, then I'm not gonna look for that 5-minute entry. But yeah, I'm looking for this candle as a soup. So let's see the market go back down first and go up high from here. But 10 a.m. should always decide. 10 a.m. is gonna have a news here. Yeah, 10 a.m. should decide if you want to go and purge out the candle or not. Yeah, you said it right, mate. Yes, sir, ski. I mean, if you're praying anything, if you say any surah, you must know the meaning, man. Then there's no point of you saying any surah if you don't know the meaning. You know what I mean? I don't know who said this. I think it said in the Sunnah where your prayers will not count if you do not know what you're saying. I mean, you rather not even pray if you don't know what you're saying. You know what I'm saying? Because usually, if you don't know what you're saying, you would be unconscious. You would not be present. You wouldn't be present moment. That's why in life, that's what they say. That's why in trading they say always be present, right? Always think out of the present moment, right? Today is not tomorrow. Today is not yesterday. Today is today. And that's why you guys wanna, because if you think about yesterday, you're gonna have negative emotion about yesterday. What happened yesterday? We took a loss. Oh shit, I'm scared. Oh, I just entered a lower time for SMT. Let's go. Oh yes, Sirski, man. I'm gonna wait until the low gets souped. Then I'm looking for a long after here. 1 minute, bro. You're looking for a lower time from SMT? That's crazy, bro. I only focus on SMT that's in an hourly time frame, 4 hour, and a daily, and a weekly, and a monthly, and a 3 month, and a 12 month. But yeah, I'm looking for a low gets souped. I'm looking for a long after that low gets souped. Us. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Abdullah. Allah, Allah, Allah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. E, e, e. Oh. How the hell is Saudi Arabia wrong for Eid, bro?